List capture speeds the process of leveraging target profiles on LinkedIn. You don't need to learn a new website interface to manage data. All data captured is sent directly to a Google Sheet. Google Sheets can be shared, so list capture supports collaboration across your team. There are 3 ways that you could use list capture. First, you can capture directly from a LinkedIn profile. Second, you can capture results directly from a LinkedIn search. The third way to use list capture is to start your search from one of the results created by Query Builder. Just highlight, click on the link, and the results open in LinkedIn. Next, click on the list capture button to get all the contacts from the search provided by Query Builder. All results from list capture are saved in your target Google Sheet.